Once again, a warm welcome to all of you to the Creators Democracy. I am Gauri from Gauri's Corner English in a Minute. Today, the topic is proverb. But what proverb really mean? Proverb is a kind of advice or wisdom or kind of warning given by elderly people to us, and also the proverbs passed from the previous generations, that is to the next generation. And as we are not a native speaker, we must learn new proverbs, old proverbs, so that it will help in our communication. Also, few points why we should learn proverb. By learning proverb, we will be able to understand the native speakers, understand what they really think, how they see the world, and what their values are. Coming to the point, our first proverb is early bird gets the worm. Early bird gets the worm. By first sight, it means that if you wake up early, you will be successful. And now let's see how it works in the. Are you sure we are going 30 minutes earlier for that event? Yes, dear. After all, what we want is first seats. And early bird gets the worm. Now the time for solution of surprise assignments. It was the word benevolent. And benevolent is an adjective which is used for a person who is kind-hearted, who is friendly. And let's see how it works in a conversation. In conversation, Sunita Sapkar is one of the benevolent personalities. And now the time for today's surprise assignment. It is the word articulate. Find the meaning for this word. If you find it, please don't forget to write it down on the comment section below and let me know how you say the early bird gets the worm in your language. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, press on the bell icon so that you will be notified first for each new and interesting video. Until then, happy learning!